Okay, so before we start, I just wanted to say that there is no intro to this video, or really an outro, but that doesn't matter, okay?
But when I was making my TikToks earlier, I was driving around to find some secluded areas so I could just, you know, act a fool. But I saw somebody getting like pulled over, but it wasn't one cop car, but two. And they had their lights on and stuff, and I was like, what's the tea? Like, do we really need two of y'all? Really? But that's none of my business. But I mean, I was trying to make it my business. Anyway, on my pizza, I'm really basic. So, and I've never really made my own, so I'm gonna keep it basic. So I'm gonna just do pizza crust, which I hope I can get a pre-made one of them. Pizza crust, sauce, cheese, pepperonis, period. It's pepperoni for me. And wait, I can make this on a freaking parchment paper, right? Right? Yes. Because look, I'm not buying extra things that I don't need.
Sorry, I'm eating, but this is honestly me feeling awkward in the store because I'm recording, so like, I'm trying not to look awkward, but I'm awkward. First up, we gotta get the cheese, and then the pizza sauce looking good, and last but not least, we need the crust, and then we can go home.
I have everything, but I just remember I don't have a pizza cutter. So we'll cross that point once we get to it. But everything else I got.
And this right here is me forgetting the instructions on how to make the crust. So here I am reading it. You get it yet, girl?
Oh, I hope you don't see nothing that's dirty. Well, the top of that might be a little dusted with crumbs, but we all live. But anyways, here we are. I got my little ghetto setup. You know me, just getting by, doing what I can. But I got this. I got parchment paper. Just recently learned what that was. But here's the crust that I got out right here. So what I'm gonna do is take this off and then put it on here. And it's got the instructions, thank goodness, because I mean, I know you're supposed to just put everything together, but like, how high was I supposed to preheat the oven? See, they told me, I didn't know.
Excuse me, what the hell was I trying to do here? Whatever it was, it sure didn't work. Okay, there we go. Now she got the hang of it. Come on. She doing the dang thing. Why'd she have to smell it though? And at this moment right here, I realized I got two crusts. I got two crustuses. That's not what it is.
They gave me two. Yes. Period. Oh my God, it fits perfectly. You don't even see the mess. Yes. Brush crust with olive oil. Wait, do I have one of them brush things? Like the fancy brush things? I thought that I would have one of them. I really don't have a fancy brush. So how the heck am I supposed to apply this? We have to be innovative. I decided to use this part of the spoon. I'm smart out here. Low key. I don't know why I was putting it there. Now that I think about it, it's supposed to go around the crust. Well, maybe it goes on it all. I don't know. Okay, so next step is to top with ingredients that you want. And I'm basic, so I'm doing a pepperoni pizza. I just got my hair on the pizza. Don't wear a 24-inch wig when you're trying to make a pizza. I'm not sure how much of this I need. Like,
Please watch this nonsense that's about to happen.
like you use your eyeballs and decide how much is good enough, because that's how I feel when I'm making this. Oh. Maybe I'll run it under some hot water. Got it. Sauce, cheese, pepperoni. I had to remember what order. So I'm just gonna kind of put some here and then spread it, I guess. I don't know how much I need. I really don't. I'm gonna do the eye of the tiger.
I be saying anything, y'all. What does that mean?
I don't know. I'm just gonna try my best. I'm gonna go on Google and see what theirs is looking like. Like, of course you gotta cover it. Let me think of Lunchables, but like make it big. Yes. This smells like a Lunchable. I don't know about y'all, but I wasn't going around eating the pizza Lunchable that often. That was my least favorite because that was nasty to me. Okay. I'm gonna end up using this full thing.
I'm not gonna lie, I use too much sauce, but it's okay.
Too much sauce.
I don't know. Is this enough? This feels like enough. So let me spread it. This feels like enough. It's my pizza. I can do what I want, right? And if it comes out tasting better than like a store-bought pizza, hello? I'm gonna stop buying pizza. Hello? Okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. Pizza Hut don't be paying attention to their pizzas like I am. I'm catering to my pizza like Beyonce said to do.
We cater to you.
Beyonce did not say to cater to your pizza, but that's all right. I'm saying cater to your pizza.
We cater to you.
All right, so now it's cheese time.
Cheese.
Now, those of you who know me, y'all know I am like very particular about my cheese. I don't like a lot of cheese. It's gotta be a perfect amount of cheese, because if it's too much cheese, I'll start to get sick. Because once upon a time when I was little, I did not like cheese at all. And I was just like, child, miss me with that cheese. Now I'm like, I like it to an extent, like not too much. Maybe I was lactose intolerant. Who knows? My mama do. My doctor probably do. Anyway, I feel like a chef, but I didn't make the dough, so. Is she really chefing? Ooh, I want to be that guy with the salt. Remember? Salt Bay. How about Pizza Bay? Maybe just a little bit more. All right, that's definitely enough cheese.
No, it's not. Do you not see the sauce?
Maybe just a little bit more for good measure. Last but not least, we got pepperonis. Let's go. How do you really get it to stick on? You kind of just, do you press it? I guess. Pepperoni here. I didn't know that making pizzas was my calling, but maybe it is.
It's not though, so.
Right here, 2 right there. Oh, this is looking cute. And then maybe like a few more. 1 right here. Oops. And then 1 right there. That look right? Or does it look weird now? I tried my best. Maybe, is that too many pepperonis? I'm a Virgo. I struggle sometimes. Okay, well that looking good to me. That's looking good to me. So, now I think we pop it in the oven for how long? 7.5 to how many minutes? To 10 minutes. Okay, period. I might have it on for 10 because I want mine to be crusty. So grab your oven mitt. You like mine? I know. Bye, girl. Okay. For how many minutes? I'm gonna do 10 minutes. Lower oven temperature, bake on oven rack or cookie sheet, middle position, switching up position.
Switching up positions for you.
Let me go tell Google 10 minutes. Okay, Google. Set alarm for 10 minutes. And now we wait.
I also got a picture of her going in the oven, like I'm dropping her off at school. Go girl. Okay, so boom, I took it out of the oven. This is what it's looking like. I left it in there for a little bit because I wanted it to be crispy and it got a little burnt. But hey, I like it. And so, well, I haven't tasted it yet. I gotta wait to cut it. I also, for the 3rd time, don't have a pizza cutter, but we gonna make it work. Okay, it's kind of slapping, y'all. I think it tastes better than like the pizzas you buy out the freezer. You just gotta go, ooh, not me getting it all over my face. The ones you take out the freezer and put in the oven, you should just make your own, y'all. It's slapping. I can't believe I successfully did that. Hold on, let me get my water so I can give me some, oh,